In the vast world of credit cards, there is a hidden gem that many overlook. Today, we're diving deep into a secret offer from Discover that could change your financial game. We've all been there, calling card after card, trying to lower that pesky APR. While most give a measly reduction, Discover has a surprise up its sleeve. Imagine calling Discover expecting a minor APR reduction, and instead, they drop a bombshell, an offer to slash your interest from 27% to 23%. But wait, there's more. They also throw in an unbeatable option of 0% interest for an entire year. Now, before you jump for joy, remember to mark that calendar. If you make purchases on your Discover card during this period, ensure you pay it off before the 0% offer expires. Because trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard if that 0% offer expires and you have to end up paying more. But what if you're more of a chat online than a call person? No worries. You can actually head over to the Discover website right now after this video and strike up a chat and simply ask this: are there any offers available for me regarding my APR or cash back? And then you also say, I've gotten some big purchases on the horizon. And just like magic, you'll find yourself with a sweet 0% offer. No inquiries, no hassle, just a gold opportunity waiting to be seized. Persistent is key. If at first you don't succeed, you know what I'm going to say. Call and call again. Some have even managed to snag a permanent reductions over time, going from a staggering 23% to a much more manageable 12.5%. And here's a pro tip. This strategy might also land you a credit limit increase. Discover has a history of awarding those with balances or those who have recently cleared high balances. So this could be really a win-win. From starting from a modest 620 credit score and a $600 limit to now boasting a 12.24% APR with a whopping $16,000 credit limit, Discover has proven time and time again its commitment to its loyal customers. So credit warriors, armed with this knowledge, venture forth and conquer the world of credit with Discover. And remember, in the credit game, knowledge is power. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider credit tips. Until next time, keep those credit scores soaring.